This is the second small woodland local to home. I call it the Big Woods, and it's separated into 3 distinct parts, each with their own personality. Part 1 rarely offers much in the way of mushrooms. Ink caps, certainly, and one-year funnels galore, but that's about it. I come here mainly to listen to the woodpeckers, and to feel a sense of wilderness right in the middle of the town. Part 2 is much richer in fungal diversity, and wildlife diversity in general. It is in Part 2 that Mushroom Hill is located, and I will be returning here regularly throughout the rest of the year to find stinkhorns, chicken of the woods, charcoal burners, and various Pluteus species. Part 3 is an interesting place. In the winter it is rife with elf cups, and has once given up porcelain fungus. But it's a hard place to make plans and predictions for. It's in this part of the forest that the rule, mushrooms never follow rules, really comes to the fore. Part 2 is the happiest hunting ground today. As spring becomes summer, I expect a lot more out of the Big Woods, and will spend time photographing and sketching what I find, and of course will share all on this channel. If it's not mushrooms, then it'll be everything else, the plants, animals, and amazing colours of this very special place.